say run product research PROSE comparing RTX, what was it, 3090?
3090, the 4090, yeah.
RTX 4090.
So it is amazing. The RTX 3090 is a 6-year-old GPU that's still on eBay for $1,600, far more than what it cost new 6 years ago. But with this insane arms race, that's just the way it is.
All right, so it's starting now. This is why we're calling this a virtual machine. It's executing it, inside of this runtime. It's starting this program. It's running. We wrote a program. That's what this thing is, a program, and it's now executing it. So now it's here, it extracted a list of products, and it's running in parallel, RTX 3090 and RTX 4090. And so here, subagents, Ctrl+X right, view subject, here's a subagent, where it's running RTX 4090 research, Ctrl+X right, oops, Ctrl+X up.
Wow, okay.
Got some problem with the key bindings here.
Oh, because your mission control key binding is stealing that.
Yeah, so we're now seeing the specific sub-agent session for the RTX 4090.
I agree with the negative feedback there. Price is absurd. 5 exclamation points.
Yeah, bottom line. So previous Ctrl+X left, but yeah, that is just changing my workspace. I don't know if I can get back to my main view now. Yeah, I know OpenCode is working on integrating more mouse actions in their terminal. So hopefully that'll be a way of getting around that. But it looks like we've completed this parallel run. Unfortunately, I can't get back to my main session. But so yeah, you saw how easy it was to create a multi-agent workflow using English with a simple prompt saying, create me this product research and pirate pitch. I'm going to be really bummed if I can't hear the pirate pitch now.
Okay, so while you're looking at it, here's a question. Do you think that calling it a virtual machine is marketing speak or is fair?
It's fair because it's a computer is something that executes instructions using a syntax, and this is what it's doing. And it spawns subagents. It's like it's launching a sub. It is absolutely a fair comparison.
But it's interesting because you think of the execution environment. Well, I guess this is what highlights that big difference that we were talking about earlier, is that the execution environment really depends on your harness. It's not just the model anymore. Like the model is like the brain in the jar. And like we talked about this, if you remember the Ninja Turtles cartoon, there's that villain Krang, which was like the brain in the jar, and then it had that whole mech suit around it that could actually make it do stuff. And the raw smarts of the model only gives you so much, but what it can actually do and how useful it can be is highly dependent on the harness and the ability to do this web search and do things in parallel and pick different sub-agent models. Like all that stuff is the harness. It's not the model.
Yeah, so this is part of the inversion of power here, and this is very relevant to a whole other talk.
Did you like that clip? Well, check out the full episode. Leonardo and I put Open PROSE through its paces. We check out Ralph Wiggum and the Ralph Loop, all sorts of great discussion related to AI coding, different models, different agents, different harnesses. Check out, the link is in the description. Also, please join our Discord community. We've got great content, great discussions, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.